2024 Hyundai Santa Fe SE. This stylish SUV, finished in the sleek Hampton Gray exterior color, blends practicality, modern design, and advanced safety features. With only 11,452 miles, it's in excellent condition and comes with the confidence of the remaining factory warranty. Powered by a 2.5-liter turbo GDI MPI DOHC 16-valve i4 engine and front-wheel drive, it offers a smooth, responsive, and efficient driving experience. Exterior features: LED lighting for a sharp, upscale appearance, 18-inch wheels for a bold, commanding stance, blind spot collision warning and forward collision avoidance for extra safety. Interior features: comfortable and refined black interior, navigation system for easy route planning, backup camera for effortless parking and reversing. Special price, $25,995. The 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe SE delivers a perfect mix of style, technology, and practicality, ideal for families and daily drivers alike. Available now at Kingstowne Motorcars. Call us for more information, 571-921-4807. Visit our website, ktmmotorcars.com.